Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys lava phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys lava phone accessibility setting. And today video title is guys how to use color correction on lava phone device. Friends, you want to use color correction on your lava phone device. So how to on and use today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your lava phone. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click on intelligent assistant setting. Friends, click here. Friends, you will find your smart answer setting guys, three finger screenshot you can on from here. Lift to wake setting. Friends, you can see one-handed mode. Friends, you want to on one-handed mode, you can on and use from here. Friends, click on accessibility setting. After on guys accessibility setting, friends, you can see talkback. Friends, you want to use talkback, so you can on from here. Friends, click on text and display, and guys you can on here bold text, you want to off bold text, so you can off. Color correction guys we will on. After on friends, you can set your color correction skin color red green, and friends you want to use, friends you can see after on color correction friends phone icon color will totally change on our lava phone device. And friends, you want to change guys your skin color mode, color correction mode, blue yellow friends you want to set. So friends, you can see skin will show this interface on lava phone. And friends, last is black and white setting. Friends, you can see skin will black and white. So friends, you want to use red green and blue yellow and black and white, so you can set. So friends, you can see I will set guys into red green. So friends, now we can use color correction. Friends, you can see phone icon color and skin color will change. And friends, you don't want to use this setting, so friends you can off from your search option. Search here friends color setting, color correction friends, click here, and direct friends you can off, and guys screen will default. So like that friends, we can use color correction on lava phone device. So bye guys.